రికమెండేషన్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. ముసలి ఏనుగులు బదిలీ అక్కడి నుంచి బయటపడుతుంది ఏనుగు. ఏంట్రా ఇది ఇంతుంది మన ఎంతో హౌ ఇస్ దిస్ పాసిబుల్ అనే ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ కి ముసలి తిరిగి ఏమందో తెలుసా?
Lisa వచ్చింది.
Lucky, sit properly. Sit properly, Lucky. Good morning, Srivalli.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lucky.
Good morning, ma'am.
All my little angels have come to the class today. Very good morning, darling. My little pretty angels. No boys there in class. All my angels have come to my class today. Very lovely. Very lovely of you, my children. Okay, children, give me one clarity that have I told you this Romans, children, evaluation part of social first lesson? Have I completed it for you? Can you please tell me? Srivalli or Deekshi, just tell me, darlings, did we completed this evaluation part? Say yes or no? Yes, okay, we have completed the evaluation part. Yes, I remember, children. On the day I gave you this 4th Roman as a home task also, right? Okay, some Galaxy J7 Max. Please replace it by your name, students. Please replace it with your name. Edit your phone name and replace it with your name. Okay, today let's discuss about the question and answers, children. I'll give you the key sheet to write. You have to write it in your classworks. Oh, my little angel Deekshi is not feeling well, I think so. It's okay, darling, chill. Okay, let's have the answers to the questions. Go for the Roman E, children. Today our topic, let's discuss about Roman E. Roman E question and answers, children. After the completion of the class, I will send you the answers for the questions. Please, you have to make a note in your classworks as well. Hope every students are maintaining the classwork, homework, and they're writing the evaluate part in their term books. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear dollies? Okay, children. Let's see the first question. Let's see the first question, children. What makes up the earth? What makes up the earth, children? What are the elements which make the earth to happen? Okay, let's go to the lesson and let's find out. It will be easy for you to remember the answers. So let's go for the lesson. Lesson 1, at the starting, see. What makes up the earth? Here is the answer you find in this under the subtitle, children, or a subheading. Our earth is one of the 8 planets that moves around the sun. Yes, we have already came to know the explanation of this lesson completely, and I have given you the running notes of this lesson also. I have given you the running notes of this lesson also. Here, the earth gets all the warmth and natural light from the sun. The earth's surface is made up of, see children, made up of the elements like land, water and air. Actually, 4 elements are required, children, but the sunlight or the natural light, it is getting directly from sun. So the remaining elements, what it is made up of are land, water and air. Coming to 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. If you observe the earth, 3/4, if you make the earth into 4 parts, 3/4 of the earth is water. Means 3 parts of them is water. Only 1 part will be land. Shanmu, if you have any doubts, you can ask me through a chat. The children who have any doubts, they can ask me through chat, children. Okay. So this was the answer we have got for the first question. Okay, let's, without any delay, let's move to the second question, children. Describe the 2 moments of the earth. See, children, they are not asking what are the 2 moments. If they ask that, it's very easy for you. Rotation and revolution are the 2 moments. Very good, Dikshi. But they have asked to describe. Means you have to write a brief explanation about both rotation and revolution. What you have to write? You have to write explanation part about rotation as well as revolution. Okay, I told you the differences between rotation and revolution also. Hope you remember. Even though, let me tell you once again in a very recap mode, in a very fast mode, I'll just tell you once. Rotation. Very good, Dikshita. Very good, Bangaru. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. See, children, based upon these 1 point, you can split into 2. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation is the first point. And coming for the second point, it rotates on its own axis. So in this 1 point only, you can split it down and you can write into 2 points. When the earth rotates, a part of it is faced towards the sun and a part of it is faced opposite to the sun. Which faces towards the sun will have a daytime and which faces opposite side will have the nighttime. So this day and night occurs by or caused by rotation, and the time taken to complete one rotation is 24 hours, and the earth spins on its own axis. This is important, children, on its own axis. Coming to the aspect of revolution, children, it takes 365.25 day. 365.25 day, children, and it revolves in a path, not its own axis, children. It revolves in a path called as orbit. Orbit. Okay, due to rotation, we'll have daytime and nighttime. But due to this revolution, we will be having Seasons. Seasons, children. What is our favorite season, children? May I know what is your favorite season? All of you, come on, all of you answer for this question. Oh, Dikshi's favorite season is a rainy season. What about Shenmu, darling, Srivali, Lucky, Varshita, Vasu? Very good, Murari. Murari has joined the class a bit late. It's okay. I don't know someone named Galaxy J7. Plus, please don't mind. Replace it with your name. Okay, Lucky is telling snow. Snow doesn't comes under season, Lucky. A winter season. You can say winter season, Lucky, but snow doesn't fall here, right? Okay, Srivali's favorite is summer. Okay. What about Shanmu, Varun, Vasu, Murari? Text me fast. Shanmu's favorite is also summer. Okay, let me guess, children, why you have chosen rainy as well as summer, because you'll get many possible holidays. Am I right, children? Due to the holidays' sake, most of the children like summer season. Oh, Vaidu has joined the class. Very good, darling. So, yes, someone will love rain because on the rainy day also they feel not coming to the school. School is a major element for you to choose the seasons in the small and younger age, right? After growing up, your wishes will be manipulated, but now in the childhood, your favorite is summer season. Most of the children's favorite is summer season, right? We'll be going to the tours, visiting our family members, enjoying lots and lots of holidays with our brothers, sisters, relatives, and mostly we'll get mangoes, right? In which season we'll be getting mangoes? Mangoes are the favor of a summer season, right? Basing upon all these elements, most of you will be liking summer season. Yes, children, I also love it. But in the summer season, really, I miss you a lot. I'll miss you a lot, children, because I won't see you for a long time. This is also the time which I am missing you, my dear dollies, because it has been a lot of time I saw you. Even though no worry, this is the opportunity I got to see you again. Miss you, darlings, miss you so much. Okay, due to this revolution part coming to the aspect, we will be having seasons. Like it has a special orbit, children, special orbit. So it will be having, when the earth is far away from the sun, it will be having winter season. It will be having winter season. When it is close to the sun, we will be having summer season. Summer season. Similarly, based on the position of the earth around its axis, I love you, my dear little children. I miss you a lot. Okay. Based upon these orbits, we will be having seasons. The main seasons are winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Okay. These are some of the differences and describing portion of rotation as well as revolution. Okay, we have completed the second question and going to the third. How does the rotation of Earth causes day and night? Just now we have discussed. All my students are highly intellectual and they'll grasp it quickly. Yes, the rotation will cause us day and night because the earth which faces, here we can see the Let's talk by seeing the picture. See, in rotation, while the earth rotates on its own axis, while it faces towards the sun, it will be having a daytime, and the part which faces the other side of the sun will have a nighttime. In this way, by understanding and having a view at this picture, you can say the rotation will causes day and night. Okay, children, moving to the fourth question. I'm just explaining you the questions first, children. Then after the completion of the lesson, I'll send you the answers, so that you can clearly make a notes and write it in your class books as well. Okay, moving to the fourth question. What is the difference between a rotation and revolution? Here comes the question, children. It is very much related to the second question. When we discussed about the second question, we have covered the differences between rotation and revolution. For coming to the point, I'll tell, a rotation takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. But the revolution will take 365 days and a quarter day to complete one revolution. This rotates on its own axis, but revolution takes place on a fixed path called orbit. Rotation will cause days and night. Revolution will cause seasons. These are the some of the differences, children. Okay, hope you have covered this in our second question. Okay, my dear dollies are very good, very fast and very quick. Compared to higher classes, my little roses, little buds are very quick and very nice at the class. Okay, coming to the fifth question, last question. We are going to completing our questions also. What makes the Earth a special planet? Children, this is quite interesting question. These all are you can write by seeing and having a clarity about the paragraphs. But coming to the last question, yes, Dikshita, it is a blue planet. And children, why it is so precious? Because only the life is present only on our planet. Yes, it's a blue planet because Earth covers with water. It is also a part, children. But coming to why the Earth is special, because out of 8 planets, children, out of the 8 planets, only Earth is the planet which have a life on it. Like human beings, we humans are present only on our Earth. No other planet will have a life. Like greenery, human beings, animals, nature, atmosphere, water, everything will be present only in Earth. Earth is very beautiful, children, because it is made up of all the essential elements required to us, like land, water, and air. Without these 3, we can't live, unless sunlight. Sunlight also comes under this category. Without these 4 elements, we can't live. Without land, can we live? No. Yes, Dikshi, food. Food is nothing but food is grown on land, right? So land is required, air is required to breathe. Yes, and water is required to drink and to grow crops, and light which comes from sun. So these 4 elements will make the Earth to be so special planet. That's why By the presence of these four elements, our Earth has life among all the 8 planets. So that the Earth is a very special planet. We are very blessed to be on this planet, children, right? Many of my children are replying, very good, Nana. I'm just seeing it. Very good at you. Okay, these all makes the Earth to be special. We have to thank our God to being a part of the Earth because it is a very special planet. We are seeing all the beauty, all the nature. We feel the rain. Many of the buddies told that we love rain and snow, ma'am. As we are on the Earth, we can feel it. Being a human being, we can feel it and we can enjoy the nature. Right? Thank you, loving. Thank you, dollies. Thank you, my dear. So, that's why the Earth is very special, children. I hope my all children have understood the lesson in a nice way and they doesn't have any doubts about this lesson. Children, if you have any kind of doubt regarding this lesson, you can text me in the form of this chat. I'll explain you once again for you. Any doubts regarding the lesson, any children, not only one, I'm asking all the children, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Every time I'll be available and I'll be ready to explain for my little ones. Okay, some Shenmo, what is that 954 dear? What are you typing? Okay, coming to the aspect, children, we have finally completed the question and answers. 5 question and answers, children. I'll send a key to you. You can make a note of it leisurely because you'll write slowly and you have to write in a Lucida handwriting. Don't forget it, children. The handwriting also plays a major role. It shows your paper, the presentation, the way of presentation, children. Write it neatly and clearly. You have a lots of time at your house to note it down. No hurry at all. Write it pleasantly. By writing the sentence, you have to read once. By reading that only, you can able to write it. You can able to understand it, learn it, write it. There are many advantages while writing and reading, children. Don't delay that. Don't ignore it, okay? See, children, they have given you a small task. Read and shade the fractions in the shapes. Fractions. You know fractions, children? Okay, let me explain, children. Here in the part, this is a number written in a fraction form. Written in a fraction form. This is called as a numerator. The above number is called a numerator and below number is called a denominator, children. The denominator represents the total number of blocks or shades, parts, total number of parts. But the numerator represents the selected parts. So by observing this, 3/4 of Earth is covered with water. So assume that 4 make Earth as a 4 parts. Only 3 parts of the Earth is covered with water. So take a blue color crayon. Don't use sketches, children. You will be your papers will be getting spoiled unless it's better for you to use crayons rather than sketches and watercolors. Just take or at least pencil. If you don't have colors, children, don't trouble your parents to get all those things now. You can color it with a pencil even. You can shade it with a pencil. 3 portions should be shaded here. And coming to this part, only 1/4 of the Earth is covered with land. Let's assume the land should be brown in color. shade one part of out of these four with brown color. Children, if you doesn't have a colors, please don't trouble your parents to bring them. This is my kind request to all. You can use the element which is nearby you, like a pencil. Pencil will be available at your house every time you use it. So you can go through that. Is it okay, children? This is just a simple project, children. I already told you to take a ball and please place it in front of a light or a torch so that you can observe the difference between day and night, considering the ball as an earth. If there are possibility and interest for you to make or do that project, you can do it. It is really a fun being, children. You can explain it to your elders as well as youngers by saying that today our ma'am has told us a new thing, how the earth will be having daytime and nighttime. Let us see practically. You can behave like a teacher. I know obviously my little buddies won't sit calm and quiet at houses. They'll be almost playing the roles of a teacher and they'll be imitating us. Even though it's good children, I like children to be like that. Those are very active. You can learn the content very quick while playing. Okay. Share this with all your friends and you'll be looking special among them because you learned it and you're going to show a new thing for the others. Try it, children. Have a nice time. Thank you.